In the dark skies over conflict zones, one aircraft redefined modern air warfare. It didn't just fly, it vanished. The F-117 Nighthawk, with its angular, alien design and near-mythical stealth capabilities, became a symbol of 20th-century military innovation. But behind its unique look and stealth tech lies a fascinating story of secrecy, cutting-edge science, and daring missions that changed the course of history. Developed by Lockheed Skunk Works division, the F-117 was the world's first operational stealth aircraft. Its primary purpose: to slip past the most advanced radar systems and strike high-value targets deep within enemy territory. The project began in the late 1970s under a cloak of deep secrecy. Engineers were tasked with making an aircraft that could be virtually invisible to radar, a concept many considered impossible at the time. The breakthrough came from a Russian physicist's obscure paper on electromagnetic wave reflection. Using that research, American engineers designed an aircraft shaped like a series of flat, angular panels. It looked unlike anything that had ever flown before. The faceted surfaces of the Nighthawk weren't for style. They scattered radar waves in multiple directions, making it incredibly hard to detect. Coated with radar-absorbent materials and painted jet black, the F-117 earned the nickname, the Wobbly Goblin, due to its odd look and unusual flight characteristics. Its first flight took place in 1981, but the public didn't even know the aircraft existed until 1988. For years, it flew exclusively at night, hidden from view and camera lenses. Pilots operated from the secretive Tonopah Test Range in Nevada, living dual lives and unable to speak about their missions, even with family. The Nighthawk's first combat deployment came during the 1989 invasion of Panama, but it was during the Gulf War in 1991 that the aircraft truly made history. On the first night of Operation Desert Storm, F-117s flew deep into Baghdad, evading dense anti-aircraft fire and radar to strike key command centers and infrastructure. Of the roughly 1,300 sorties flown by the Nighthawk during the war, not a single one was lost in combat. It became the face of stealth warfare, an aircraft that could go where others couldn't, do what others wouldn't dare, and return undetected. However, stealth didn't mean invincibility. In 1999, during the NATO bombing of Yugoslavia, an F-117 was shot down by a Soviet-era surface-to-air missile system. It was a reminder that while stealth reduced the chance of detection, it couldn't eliminate it entirely. Still, the pilot ejected safely, and U.S. forces recovered much of the wreckage. The F-117 was officially retired in 2008, replaced by more advanced aircraft like the F-22 Raptor and the B-2 Spirit. But even today, sightings of the Nighthawk occasionally surface. Some have even returned to the skies for training missions, years after retirement. Why? The aircraft remains valuable for testing radar systems and training newer generations of pilots and engineers. Despite its retirement, the F-117's legacy lives on. It proved that stealth wasn't just a concept, it could be a powerful strategic advantage. Its design influenced every stealth platform that came after it. The Nighthawk didn't need speed or heavy armament. Its weapon was surprise, precision, and visibility. When the world first saw the F-117, many thought it looked like something from science fiction. In truth, it marked the future of aerial combat. The aircraft that wasn't supposed to exist helped usher in a new era, one where technology, not brute force, would dominate the skies.